Welcome back, friends. On this video, again, we have the 2013 Subaru Forester. This time we're going to change some wiper blades. Pretty simple, everyday thing, but maybe somebody out there needs a little help. So we're going to do a video. Hopefully it helps somebody. So follow along as we change these wipers. So on my 2013 Subaru Forester, the driver's side wiper is a 24-inch wiper, and the passenger side is an 18-inch wiper. Okay, now we're here on the driver's side. You really don't have to have any tools to do this, but I like to use a little screwdriver. So there's a little tab here, so you just have to push down and then slide the wiper down. It comes right off. Okay, on these there's little clips on the side that just you open it up, okay. Squeeze them, it opens up, and then you're just going to slide your wiper through the little hole down and slide it up, click, snap that on, and that's it. And for the passenger side, it's just the same thing. Just to show you don't really need a tool, did it with my finger. Same thing, little clips on the side, you just open it up, slide the wiper through the hole, clicks in, snap that down, there you go, wipers are changed. I know this may seem very simple and whatever, somebody doesn't want to watch it, but hopefully it helps somebody. I'm going to try and do videos on all these little things I do. Maybe for 99% of you, it won't help you, you don't need to watch it, but for somebody out there, hopefully it helps somebody, and yeah, just makes their job a little easier and they can get them changed. Let me know what you think. Anybody use these wipers? The Bosh Icon. Do you like them? Do you dislike them? What do you like? What don't you like about them? I'm going to give them a try. Like I say, they worked well for my wife's vehicle. But yeah, that's changing the wiper blades on a 2013 Subaru Forester. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment. Please comment, let us know good, bad, whatever. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.